Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve first 15 question of chapter Logical Reasoning for class 5. Remaining question we will cover in part 2 video. Logical reasoning is for 15 marks in paper. Let's start with question number 1. In a line of boys, Naman is 11th from the top and Soham is 5th from the bottom. If Naman is 5 students ahead of Soham, then how many students are there in the line? According to questions, Naman is 11th from the top, means there are 10 students at the top. And Soham is 5th from the bottom. 5th from the bottom. Means there are 4 students at down. If Naman is 5 students ahead of Soham, means there are 5 students in between Naman and Soham. Naman is 1 student and Soham is 1 student. Means 10, this 10, this 1, this 5, Soham 1 and down 4 students. Total 21. So B is a correct answer. Question number 2. Which of the given option will complete the given pattern? First, observe the given pattern. 3D, 8G. What is difference between 8 and 3? 3 plus 5, 8. And here D, after D which letter come? D, E, F, then G. Means 2 letter difference is there. Then 13J. 13J plus 5. 8 plus 5, 13. Then G, H, I, then J. Now what will come here? Plus 5 means 13 plus 5, 18. And J, K, L. And what will come here? M. So C is correct answer. Question number 3. Which of the following option is correct mirror image of figure X? Mirror image is reverse image. You will see this arrow here and this line here. So mirror image is this. C is a correct option. Question number 4. M is older than R. Q is younger than R and N. N is not old as M. Then who is eldest amongst all? According to question, M is older than R. And Q is younger than R. Q is younger than R and N. N is not old as M. Then who is eldest among all? M. So A is right answer. Question number 5. Which of the following figure will complete the pattern in figure X? Now we complete the figure first. Here slightly curve is there and this part is colored. Here some part is colored. Now which figure is matched with this? C. So C is the correct answer. Question number 6. 5 girls are sitting on a bench facing north. Megha is to the left of Beena and to right of Priya. Latika is to the right of Beena. Garima is between Beena and Latika. Who is the second from the left hand? Facing the north means upside. So this is left side, this is our right side. Now according question, Megha is left of Beena. Suppose Beena is here, left of Beena means Megha will come here, and right of Priya. Megha is left of Beena and right of, so Priya will, right of Priya means Priya will come here. Priya's right side is Megha. Latika is to right side of Beena and Garima is between Beena and Latika. Means Garima is in between Beena and Latika. Here Garima. And Latika is right side of Beena. Who is second from the left hand? This is left hand means who is second? Megha. So C is the correct answer. Question number 7. Count the number of triangle in the given figure. We calculate first big triangle. This two triangle, then this side two, this two, then middle four small, this four, then inside this small triangle, this total 8, then this 4 triangle. So there are 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 4 20. There are 20 triangles in the given figure. Question number 8. There is a certain relationship between figure P and Q. Establish the similar relationship between figure R and S by selecting a suitable figure from the option which will replace the question mark in figure S. Now in figure P and Q, this arrow are interchange. This arrow goes here and shaded part becomes unshaded, and this arrow goes upward in Q figure. Now we'll check here. This arrow will interchange this here and this here. And this down arrow will goes upward, and this shaded part become unshaded. Means this shade part here it will unshade, and this unshaded part here become shaded. So this figure is matched with C. So C is a correct answer. Question number 9. Select the correct water image of the given combination of letters. Image, water image will be like this. This M, MV will see like this, then A like this, G like this. What is the correct answer? A. A is water image of given combination of letters. Question 10. Arijit correctly remembered that he visited Punjab before 13th of August but after 9th of August. His sister Trishika correctly remembered that Arijit visited Punjab after 11th of August but before 14th of August. On which date of August did Arijit visited Punjab? He is saying he visited before 13 and after 9. After 9th and before 13. Means in between 10, 11, 12 are the possible date on which he visited Punjab. His sister saying means after 11th but before 14. Before 14. Her sister saying 12 or 13 are possible date on which he visited to Punjab. But he is saying before 13 means now possible date is only 1. 12. On 12th of August, Arijit visited Punjab. Question number 11. The model of tower shown here is made up of unit cube stacks on top of each other. How many unit cubes in all are used to form the tower? You can make this tower, then you will easily calculate the cubes. The number of cubes in row 1, there is only 1. Number of cubes in row 2, there are 3. 2 front side, 1 back side. Number of cubes in row 3, there are 6. These 3 and back side 3. Then total number of cubes in row 4 are 10. And row 5, there are 15 cubes. So total 35 cubes are there. Question number 12. How many different possible combination of one chocolate and one toy can be formed from the given chocolates and toys? There are total 4 chocolates and 5 toys. So with this chocolate, this 5 combination can possible. With this 5 combination, with this 5 combination is like this. This chocolate with 5 combination. Then with this also 5 combination and this also 5 combination, means total 20 combinations are possible. Question number 13. Arrange the following in a meaningful order. They have given table, tree, wood, seed and plant. First, from seed, plant will come out, then plant becomes tree, then people cut the wood of tree, and then table is made up from wood. Then what will come first? First seed, then plant, then tree, then wood, and then table. So B is a correct answer. Question number 14. Kavya is facing to church. What will she be facing if she turns 3/8 clockwise? There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 direction. And out of 8, if she turns 3/8 means from here to 1, 2 and 3. 3. So she will face market if she turns 3/8 clockwise. Question number 15. Find the missing number if same rule is followed in all the three figures. Now here rule is this 2 number multiplication minus this 2 number multiplication, means 8 5s are 40, 3 4s are 12, means this 40 minus 12, 28. Here also 12 into 7 minus 8 into 9. 12 into 7, 84. And 8 into 9, 72. 84 minus 72, 12. Here 12. Now here 5 into 5, 25. 10. Here this figure is given and this figure is missing. Now here 25 minus 6 into question mark is equal to 19. 6 into question mark is equal to 25 minus 19. So 6 into question mark is equal to 25 minus 19 means 6. So 6 into what is equal to 6? 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Here 1 will come, means 25 minus 6 is equal to 19. So D is a correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.